But let's go to the Bible. Did you guys know that the Bible talks about dragons? In fact, they talk about dragons more than any other animal in the Bible. They talk about 21 different times. All right? And if dragons were dinosaurs, then for sure your Bible talks about dinosaurs, doesn't it? Okay. What about this dinosaur called Parasaurolophus? You know, he had a really funny head, a crown on his head. Some scientists say maybe that he used it for honking or tooting. But, well, what could he have used it for? Well, maybe there's something else he could have used it for. You know, in the Bible it talks about a leviathan, which could blow fire and smoke out of his nostrils. But it's not just the Bible that talks about it. Do you know there's other accounts from lots of different parts of the world that also talk about dragon-type creatures that can blow fire and smoke out of those nostrils? So maybe there was a creature just like that. Now, at one time I wouldn't have believed it. But when we look at other evidences in the world, like things we can see today, like that little bug we talked about the other day called the bombardier beetle, the one that can make boiling hot gases come out of his rear. Now, if one creature could do it, could another animal? Well, it might have not been Parasaurolophus itself, but I believe there was a creature that could do just like what it says in the Bible. And why? Because that is what it does say in the Bible, and I believe the Bible for what it says.